Hey, it's me, Furry Face. I'm renting a room, so I'm pretty well camping in a room. That's about it. And I got something to eat. I'll show you what I got. Okay, so there's mashed potato. It's okay. It's pretty good. And there I got asparagus tips. Yummy. I know. And over here, there's a can of, where is it? There. Hot chicken Astera sauce. It's freaking thick too. Really nice. So yeah, I dip asparagus in. Got salt out. Got salt and potato, salt and asparagus, salt in the gravy. Delicious. Take a bit of asparagus. Hang on. Now I got the camera back up there. Fucking pain in the ass, this camera shit. I need proper holders. Fuck. Okay. Take a bit of asparagus, like so. Dip it in the gravy. Yes, yes, yes. And in the face. Oh. Same thing with potato. Clump it on the fork, dip it in the gravy, and plow it in your face. Oh, get more gravy. Oh. You know, obviously I ordered groceries. I had 4 cans of meatballs. I hit one. Same gravy, but with meatballs in it. I didn't know they had that from Esther. I was buying Cordon Bleu before, but this is a bit cheaper and more delicious. So, fuck. Anyway, bye. Sorry to tease you with such yummy shit, but see you later. Yeah.